So you may be in a position where your TikTok likes are missing. Now, I talked about this a few days ago, but you still probably will be in a same similar situation if for some reason your account is for some reason shadow banned of some sort, or possibly TikTok is down. So the first thing I'd recommend doing is seeing if the likes are not showing on your videos or somebody else's videos. If for some reason they're not showing, I don't even know this typo points fast in Subway. If your specific, likes are not showing on your videos, but if you don't know you normally don't get views or whatever, then that's probably why. If you get no views like I do, for example, then you're not going to get many likes. So that's probably one big thing to keep in mind. However, on the flip side, if your specific account, let's say, does normally get a lot of likes or a lot of views or something, and it's not showing any likes at all, well, that probably means that either TikTok is down or TikTok needs to be updated on your device. So what you can do is you can make your way over to your, internet browser, and what you want to do is you want to go make your way to this website called downdetector.com, or you can even make your way to the comment section of this video, or really any other website that's like this one. And what you want to do is you want to scroll around until you find TikTok. Now, if TikTok is not even on the top two, then it's probably not down. But if you have to scroll down for a while and TikTok then shows up, then that means it's probably not down. It's a very large, popular application that many people like. So as you can see, it's not even on the top, 10 or 20, whatever this one was. So that probably means to me that TikTok is not down. So the next thing I'd probably recommend doing is making your way over to your app store just like this. And you want to go ahead and search up TikTok. So go and click there. You want to search up TikTok like this. And all you want to do here is go and click on here, and you want to update your TikTok application. If it's severely outdated, that may mean your TikTok app had some random issues within it. So all you have to do here is go ahead and install, update TikTok, and that may end up fixing the situation as well. If that still doesn't fix it, I would probably recommend waiting out a little bit, maybe like an hour or two, going back, seeing if they're gone or seeing if they're there. And that should probably end up fixing it for the most part for a majority of people out there. So that kind of covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.